Assalamualaikum. Hello children. Welcome to back my channel. Today now teach Geography. Lesson number 6. Third standard. Lesson number 6. Getting now the place we live in. Again repeat this heading. Getting to now the place we live in. How does a town form? In a very old times, before man began to farming, he lived in a nomadic life. Before man began to farming, he lived in a nomadic life. He was depending of hunting animals and gathering foods, roots and bulbs for the foods. Later man learned to grow crops. He began to tell where to found a suitable land and water. People began to build house such as a place and settle there. They began to help each other farm. Their houses were close by. Thus the settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together from the villages. People fed the suffer living in the such settlements. As a farming developed, people had a different kinds of work. One person could not do all them, so works was divided between to the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weighing the cloth, making jewelry, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged to different occupations. First point, which are the different implements needed from the farming? Collect informations about the modern farming implements. Visit the agriculture exhibitions. Which historical building, mountains, object, etc. are seen in your area? A village, town, a city has a building such as a temples, caves, churches, memorials from the etc. at place becomes now by this building. They tell us about the riches of the place. They help us understand our history. This building, our Teshua, they must be the protect them the responsibility. A place may also become a famous because a religious place, fair or the fort, from example Raigad district and now from a Raigad fort. Shivram Hari Rajguru was an important in India's struggle from freedom. He was one of three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed, Pune district. After elementary education, he moved in Amravati. There at Hanuman, he took up the cause of the participant. At the 15 years, he went to the beginner studies Sankrant. He now the several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were is a friend. Later to part of the relations activities became a military of the country. He memory Khed in the birthplace. He was the remind and the Rajguru Nagar. World the Heritage of the 18th April on day of the visit, a national movement learn of the importance collect of the information protecting World the Heritage site. Next one, Sant Gadge Maharaj, real name was Debuji Jigandarji Janorkar. Next, last one part it is visit a weekly market and meet a shopkeeper there. Interview him in the help of the following questions. How many years have many of the occupation which the items do we sell in our shops? Where do you get the items from? What do means of the transference use the carry of the goods? People in a village depend upon our weekly markets in their daily needs. This market is essential items, mainly food, grains, vegetable or farming implements, cloth, etc. became available there. The market is also place where people can meet, inquiry, became the available here. The market also place of the there can meet another inquiry of each other's well-beings. Now your remember point in a getting now village life. Remember point this. First one point it is in a olden days men live in a remember points of the remember. The olden days men live in a nomadic life.